ISTQB Foundation Level version 329. Which of the following is most likely to be a trigger that leads to maintenance testing of a currency exchange system? A. The developers reported that changing the currency exchange system was difficult, and the testers decided to check if this was true. B. The refund option of the currency exchange system was removed, as it did not always repay the correct amount to customers. C. The Agile team has started developing a user story that adds a new customer loyalty feature to the currency exchange system. D. The language support option of the currency exchange system was used to enable both English and local language currency transactions. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is B, according to ISTQB Syllabus. A system modification, such as a fix or enhancement, is an example of a trigger for maintenance testing. The removal of the refund option of the currency exchange system was a fix that would lead to maintenance testing. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is invalid. Assuming that testers could check the ease of changing the currency exchange system, then it would be done by maintainability testing rather than maintenance testing. So this is not a trigger for maintenance testing. Answer C is invalid. If the Agile team has started developing a user story that adds a new customer loyalty feature to the currency exchange system, then this will result in them testing the new feature, and then they would perform regression testing. No maintenance testing is required in this situation. Answer D is invalid. A reconfiguration of the currency exchange system to support both the local language and English currency transactions is not a system modification, a change to the operational environment, or a system retirement, which are the three triggers for maintenance testing. My recommendation: you need to know 3 triggers for maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3, maintenance testing, in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, such as planned enhancements, i.e. release-based corrective changes or hot fixes. Information in this section consistent with the correct answer B. I believe in your hard working and thank to watching my video channel ISTQB questions. It helps you pass ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.